Hello everyone, welcome to Spice Ranee Cooking Channel. This is Jasbir here and I'm here to share all my favorite recipes with you. Today I'll be cooking Lamb Shank Curry. This is a recipe I learned from my father many years ago. He would normally make this curry with goat meat, but that is so hard to find in Kuching, so lamb it is. The best curries are normally made with meat on the bones, and that is why I'm using lamb shank. Lamb shank curry is so rich, delicious and flavorful because the marrow will just melt into the gravy. This is a family favorite. Let's begin with the recipe. For the full list of ingredients, please check out the description box above or below. First, the lamb. I got my butcher to cut it into pieces for me. Wash the lamb and put it into a colander so that you can drain as much blood from the meat. The more blood there is, the gamier the smell. Next, the aromatics. Rough chopped onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and chillies. In this curry base, I'm also using spring onions. Spring onions will enhance the richness of the curry and flavor of the meat. Roughly chop this as well. Then, let the blender do the job. Blend all of these delicious aromatics into a smooth paste and set it aside. Lastly, prepare the potatoes. Cut potatoes into quarters and set it aside. I use too many potatoes in the curry, so I suggest you use 400 grams of potatoes instead. It gives a good meat to potato ratio. Now for the fun part, it's time to cook. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil into a wok and add the blended aromatics into it. Add salt and curry powder. I'm using my own Spice Ranee meat curry powder. For more information, check out the description box. Stir this mixture well and cover it. We need to cook this till the curry base is dry. So we are going to occasionally keep checking on it. Be careful of the steam. I got a hot and painful steam facial because I was careless. You will know that the masala base is done when it becomes dry and oil surfaces. Be patient. Cooking this takes a little bit of time. Once the masala base is ready, add the lamb and enough water to cover it. Normally at this stage, I cook it on high heat. This helps to break down the tissue and tendons in the meat. When cooking this on high heat, the liquid will evaporate quickly. So make sure there is enough liquid to cook till the meat is tender. You may add more hot water to this in intervals when needed. You have to be patient again while cooking lamb because it takes longer for the meat to become tender, but the end result is very rewarding. Once the meat is tender, you can use a spoon to check this. We are going to add potatoes and cook it till soft. Check the softness of the potatoes with a spoon. It should be easy to poke through without losing its shape. I'm adding mint leaves. Mint helps to cut through the greasiness of the lamb, plus it is an added flavor to enhance the gravy. Lastly, taste the curry and add salt if needed. Oh wow, it's really good. Ta-da! It's done, as simple as that. This lamb shank curry can be served with rice or chapati or even garlic bread. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos. See you next week. This is a recipe I learned from my father many years ago. He would normally make this curry with goat milk,